7, 8, and tap, tap, and tap, tap, and tap, tap, and move, no? Ganun siya igalaw na. Sabi natin, isa pa. 5, and tap, tap, and tap, tap, and move. Ay, hindi mo sumama na naman. Tap, na. 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, tap, and tap, tap, and tap, tap. Ngayon, ang technique ko. Second, tap, and tap, tap, and tap, tap, and move. And move. And 6, move, 7, and 8. Testing natin. Ano, kaya? Testing natin. Ito pa, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, tap, and tap, 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 move, 1, and move. Testing natin. Ito pa, mabilis mo tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, tap, and tap.